So in this video, we're going to look at the degree of a polynomial. So what is the degree of the polynomial? So we're asked to find the degree of each polynomial below. So the degree of a polynomial is, once we've determined what our variable is, it's the highest power of that variable. So here, in our first polynomial, our variable is a, and we look at the powers that a is raised to. So a is raised to 12 in the first term, 3 in the second term, and when there is no obvious power, then it's 1 and 1 in the third term. So the highest power that a is raised to is 12. So the degree in the first polynomial is 12. All right, so let's look at the second polynomial. So this is a monomial. Our variable is x. The highest power that x is raised to is 14, so our degree equals 14. Let's have a look at the third. 4 plus 3x, a binomial. Our variable is x. It doesn't look like there's a power that x is raised to, but that means the power is 1, so the degree of this polynomial is 1. Okay, let's have a look at D. So here we have a polynomial. Our variable is x. What are the degrees, or what are the exponents that x is raised to? It's raised to 3, 2, and 1. So the highest power is 3. So our degree is 3. Next one, in E, again, our variable is x. The powers that x is raised to are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the highest, so the degree of this polynomial is 5. All right, so F. F is kind of a tricky one. So where is our variable? It doesn't look like there's a variable. In actual fact, our variable can be x or any letter we choose, and the power that this variable is raised to is actually 0. And this is because anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So this means our degree equals 0. Okay, so let's have a look at the last few. So G, our polynomial is 3 times x to the power 100 plus 17x, a binomial. Our variable is x. The powers that x is raised to are 101. So our degree equals 100. H, negative y cubed plus 47y minus 2, our variable is y. The highest power that y is raised to is 3, so our degree equals 3. And finally, in I, our polynomial is a monomial, one term. B raised to the power 400. Our degree equals 400, so that's the only power that our variable's raised to. Good. All right, so if you have any questions, give us a shout at info@raisemymarks.com or give us a call. And thank you for watching.